Normalized rate, cumulative plot in Topaze. This example will show how to use the normalized rate, cumulative plot to estimate the size of the well drainage area. First, go to the Application Settings dialog. Select the Automatic Plots node under the Technical node and make sure that no automatic plots have been selected. Validate the setup with OK. Hold the Shift key and click on Extract in the Control panel. Since no automatic plots were selected in the settings, only the log and Blasingame plots are created. In the log plot, adjust the radial flow line to match the few data points just before the start of boundary-dominated flow. Then adjust the pseudo-steady state line. Hold the Shift key and click on Analytical in the Control panel. An analytical model is automatically generated based on the parameters from the lines on the log plot. Click on New in the ribbon at the top. Keep all the default selections to create a duplicate of the current analysis. Click on New Plot in the ribbon at the top and select Normalized Rate from the list. A new plot is added to the workspace. Double-click on the plot title bar to maximize the normalized rate, cumulative plot. Click on Line in the plot options in the ribbon at the top. Select the data points that fall within the boundary-dominated or pseudo-steady state flow regime. The existing line will refit to the selected data range. Double-click on the plot title to restore the plots in the workspace. Click on Dashboard in the top ribbon. In the Analysis Dashboard dialog, select the Normalized Rate Cumulative line under Specialized Analysis. Initial pressure and pore volume are listed as transferable results. Click on To Analytical to transfer these results to the current analysis. The analytical model is updated. Access the Compare option and compare the two model responses on the diagnostic plots. While the Compare dialog is open, click on Results in the top ribbon. Show only the reservoir and boundary model results and compare the boundary distances from the two analysis methods. This concludes this normalized rate cumulative plot video.